Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you about frameset in HTML. Open Notepad software text editor. I am explaining you by writing source code. HTML start, that is start tag, HTML close, end tag. Head start, head end. Head will have title inside. Title start, title close. Now when I am using frameset tag, I do not have to write into body tag. We know the structure of HTML. HTML start close, head start close, and then there will be body start close, but we will not write body because frameset don't require body tag. So we will directly write after head tag frameset, frameset, frameset start, frameset close, or you can say end frameset. Now frameset is a container tag, means frameset contains frames. Now first of all, frame is what? You have seen windows into a house, and that window is having partition, vertical and even horizontal. So that is also known as frame. Okay, so a window is divided vertically and also divided horizontally, right? So we are supposed to tell the HTML that I am going to divide my web page vertically or horizontally. So there is a attribute known as calls or rows. Calls for vertically dividing, rows for horizontally dividing. Now we cannot write or, I just wrote to explain. So I am making use of calls. I am dividing my web page vertically. Now in how many parts you want to divide? You can divide in 2, 3, 4, as many as you want. I am dividing in 2 parts. So double quotation 50 percentage comma 50 percentage and double quotation over. Okay, now I have divided calls frames by using attribute calls into 2 parts. So 2 times frame tag is used, right? I let you know frame is contained inside frameset, and frame is having src compulsory attribute. Src stands for source file. What will come inside value, I let you know. So 1 frame and 2nd frame. You might be wondering why I am not closing frame. Okay, frame is unpaired tag, so only required to start, there is no end frame. Okay, see, after left angular bracket there is a tag, frame is a tag. I started frame but I am not closing frame, right? Because frame is unpaired tag. Frameset start and frameset close, that you are able to see. Okay, start of frameset tag and end of the frameset tag. Okay, and frameset is having calls as attribute, and this calls is dividing my web page vertically, and I have written 50%. 50% means my window screen will be exactly divided half percentage wise. Okay, so this frame which is having attribute src is for this 50%. The second frame which is having attribute src for this 50%. There is double quotation, the value will be any of the web page. Here also the value will be any of the web page, and the source destination required, that's why src is there. src, by mistake I wrote scr, so it is src. Here also src stands for source. So the source of one particular web page will be here, and source destination of full address of another web page will be here, and the third web page which I am creating, which is known as frame. Now just check how it looks like. So file save as, and name also I am giving frame.html. I am saving on desktop. File saved. I am just minimizing this, and where is my frame? See, here it is. I am keeping here, and you can see my frame is divided into two parts. There is a vertical line. If I do like this, then also exactly 50%. That's the reason percentage we are supposed to take. Okay, so this vertical line, left side one web page, right side another web page. I just open Notepad software, and I'm trying my best to explain you all. This is my source code, and this is my web page. So this particular web page belongs to this source code. Because of this source code, I got this web page, plus this web page is having partition like window frame, vertical partition, 50% this side, 50% this side, because this is 50%, this is 50%. Because of frame set start and close, this is having this kind of partition. Plus calls is the attribute, and 2 times 50% written. So first frame src for this, you can see my mouse movement. Second frame src for this. Now I have still not put any value. Okay, for your understanding, instead of calls I am writing rows, rows. File save, and just see the output. There it is, horizontally dividing. So you can see window, glass window, which is horizontally also divided. Okay, so in front of you only I have shown you how it is vertically divided and how it is horizontally divided. I am again doing necessary changes, and I am dividing it vertically. Now what will come here, I let you know. Here any of the HTML page you can put. Okay, what this any of the HTML page? It has to be existing file, or you can create afterwards also, but if it is existing file, then directly you can put that file over here. Okay, so I'm showing you, I am having on my desktop one blue.html, green.html, red.html, yellow.html. So I'm doing right click, I'm going to the properties, and I'm going to the details, and this is the file name. So blue.html. Okay, you got it, blue.html. You can copy this also, copy, come here to the source code and just paste, Ctrl V. But you have to write .html as extension. HTML file, save it, file, save, and where is my another file? Here it is. Okay, I have done some necessary changes into this area. Just refresh it, you can see blue.html. Now here again minimizing, right click, properties, copy this, copy, and then open this one, close this. I'm using Alt tab to open, right? So I'm pasting here, paste, and then I'm writing HTML file, save, and refresh. So green.html. Can I divide my web page into 4 parts? Definitely. Make it 25. So start making it fast. Again 25%, comma, 25%, and comma, and this also 25%, right? So now what I am doing, I am dividing my web page into 4 parts. You can see here, file, save, and just refresh. So you can see blue, green, and 25%, 25%, 25%, and 25%. So file, save. One line is not generated over here. For what reason? Let me see. Okay, fine. File, save, and refresh. So let me check. Okay, will come, it will come, don't worry. So now I am copying this to files, copy, and pasting here, Control V, and now instead of blue, green, I'm writing red.html, blue, green, red, and yellow.html. Control S, Alt tab, and refresh. So you can see blue, green, red, yellow. Because the file, this particular page was not maximized, might be it was not coming for that reason. So here calls 25, 25, 25, 25, blue.html, green.html, red.html, yellow.html. okay, so this is my web page. How many web pages are inside my frame? I have total 5 web pages. Okay, this is one web page. Inside this one web page, second, third, fourth, and fifth. I repeat again, this is blue, which is one web page. Okay, HTML file. Green, that is also HTML file. Red and yellow HTML file, and all these files are inside one another file, and the title of that file is frame. Here it is. So total 5 files are there. 5 files are there. Okay, another important thing is frameset don't support in past. Okay, nowadays all browsers are supporting frameset, but there was a time frameset was not supported by every browser. So actually we are supposed to write body tag also, and then body start, body close. I let you know for what reason. And here I will write, sorry, not no text required. Here I will write, this browser don't support frame. Okay, just this much. So file, save, and Alt tab and refresh. Nothing will come. Why? I'll let you know. See, body is there, body start, body close, and which is exactly nothing but structure of HTML. In my previous teaching I have already explained to you what is structure of HTML. I am making use of frameset, right? Every browser in past were not supported by every browser was not supporting frameset tag. Okay, in that case this body part will be executed. So any browser is fetching this particular web page and that browser suppose don't support frameset, then the body tag will be executed, and inside the body one line will be coming which is displaying this browser don't support frame. So the client side you can get it that there is some frame set error. Okay, so this line will be displayed onto the screen. I just cut this part, you can see, cut, and file save. Okay, and just refresh, you will see this browser don't support frame. So this kind of dialog box will come, that the browser which is not supporting frame set in that, right? So I'm again pasting, Control V, file save, coming back and refresh. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my teaching. Thank you very much.